Opening scene, flying over a beautiful blue bay with the sun shining. The UISCE Activity Center is right next to the sparkling water. An instructor juggles at the top of the slipway as a number of students emerge from the building and start preparing sailing boats for the water. Shot from above, the yellow sailing boats sail across the pristine, clear water. A windsurfer steps onto the board and sails away at speed. Now at a different beach, a number of students carry their surfboards towards the water. An instructor demonstrates on land how to stand and surf before bringing the group into the water. The water is a beautiful blue and the waves are crisp white. The students catch a number of waves on the bright yellow boards. There are lots of smiles. Now we are at a grass pitch and the students are throwing a ball to each other. Shot from above, we see the juggling instructor again, including a shadow that he casts. Looking straight down, we see two students balancing on a kayak with others looking on. The letter U, I, S, C, and E appear in sequence, finally spelling the word UISCE.